Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So this video is about the newest investment website you will ever see. So this investment website has a lot of features that I'm going to show you. So you are actually looking at the homepage right now, which everything has been provided, the content, the pictures, the layouts, everything has been provided already. And the part you are looking at right now is the desktop view. So let me show you the mobile view. So the mobile view looks like this. So you see that now this is the mobile view of the website or the home page. Okay, so this website has a lot of functionalities and a lot of features. It also have the user side, the admin side where total control is being done. I'm going to show you how to use this particular website, the various operations of the website, the various features of the website. And again, I will also show you how you can actually set up this kind of website for your clients and charge them a huge amount of money. Okay, so this whole setup is not hard, it's not complex. I'm going to break it down for you. So this is the account creation page where users create their accounts by filling in their details, and then um, they'll click on create account, and again this is the login page. Okay, so I'm just going to log in into a demo account here just to show you how the dashboard looks like. Show you how the dashboard looks like, and I'll click on sign in. So as you can see now, this is the dashboard of the website. This is the user dashboard here. You can see the sleek layout, the various sessions. That's this referral system where you can copy your referral link, show your total referrals, show your referral earning, the other various statistics. You can see that now: deposits, withdrawal, uh, transaction, your trading plans, investing plans. You see your profit history. Okay, this is actually the various features of it. Okay, so you can see this here too. It also have the KYC. I can toggle on between light mode and dark mode. And again, this is the mobile view of the dashboard. You can see that now. This is the mobile view of the dashboard. So this is how it looks like now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you from installation to the finished part. Then I'll show you how the website is being used and operated. Okay, so let me log out this account now. Then I will start the installation aspect of it. Okay, so to commence the installation of this website, you'll be needing your domain name, and again, you'll be needing your hosting. So right now, by the time you purchase an hosting, your cPanel details will be sent to you, and I have already logged in into my cPanel. This is my cPanel now. This is the home page of my cPanel. Okay, so I'm going to search on file manager. Look at it here. You can search for file manager. You click file manager. So by the time it loads, you will go to public underscore HTML. So just delete this. Then click on upload here. Click on upload. Click on upload. And then select the zip file. Select this zip file, this Backend Finance zip file. So you open it. Now it's uploading. You can see now it's counting. It's uploading. So we have to wait for it to finish uploading. So by the time you get to see this green line, just know that it has been uploaded. And again, you go back to close this tab and go back to this file manager. You reload. By the time you reload, you are going to see the zip file. You're going to see the zip file. Okay, so now before I extract this file, I'll come to settings here. Look at it, settings. I'll tick this. I'll tick this, which is show hidden files. Then I will click on save. I'll click on save. It's loading now. So right click on this right click and I'll click on extract. So I'll click again on extract files. Then I'll click on close. So I'll enter into this folder, which is public underscore HTML. I'll enter into this folder. See this now, you are going to move everything out from this folder. You're going to move it out and let it be in this public underscore HTML. You click on move files. So now everything is here now. Then I'll delete this. I'll delete this zip file. I don't need it anymore. I'll delete it. I'll delete it. So now the next thing is to look at this installation guide now. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit that installation guide. So you can see, very important note display, right click on the env. Okay, this is for env. Let's scroll down again. Ensure your PHP version is 8.2.0 and above. So we are going to change our PHP version now and put it in 8.2. So you search for multi PHP manager. By the time it loads, you can see currently my PHP version is 8.1. So now I will put it at, I'll select the domain name, put it at 8.2, and I'll click on apply. So right now my PHP version is at 8.2. Okay, so the next thing is to come here. You can see the installation process. Number one, upload and extract the zip file to your website's public underscore HTML directory, or the directory you wish to run your website subdirectory or subdomain in your file manager. Now, A, go to Bootstrap folder and edit app.php. Okay, so let's come here, go to Bootstrap folder, edit app.php. So now we have edited it. So go to line 18. This is line 18. You will see this. Okay, this is it. Rename the SDB to something else. For example, my site DB. Okay, so rename the SDB to something else, my site DB. So I'm just going to use let's say wet DB. So I'm going to use wet DB now. I'll save it. So the next thing is to go to check for SDB folder. It has the env file in it. Okay, so I'm going to check for SDB folder. Okay, you can see now SDB folder. So you can see it here. So I will edit this env file. And the next thing is to create your database and user. So we're going to create our database and user now. Go to home page of the cPanel, then search for database wizard. Search for database wizard. Now I'm going to create my database. My database name will be let's say wetdb. Okay, so this is my database name. We open Notepad. I'll paste it here. Now I'll generate a password. Okay, I like this. Then I'll tick this and say use password. Then I'll paste it there. Then I'll say wet user. I'll click on create user. And I'll copy this. I'll tick all this. I'll click on make changes. Okay. Now I have these details here now. The next thing is for me to come to my env and set my database. So I'll copy those details just now. Now I'll use for my DB database, I'll use it there. DB username, I'll paste it here. DB password, paste it here. Okay, so the next thing is for me to set my website link as my website link, and then the name of the website I'll paste here too. Okay, so that's all. That's all. I'll click on save. So now we are here. We have set our database in env. Now it's asking us to move the HDB folder outside of our public underscore HTML and rename the HDB folder to what's used in instruction 1C. Okay, this is instruction 1C. Okay, so now we are going to move this HDB folder. You're actually moving it for security reasons. So you're going to move this HDB folder, move to outside public underscore HTML. You see that now? And then we are going to rename it what we used here. So what we used here was wetdb, wetdb. So I'm going to go outside my public underscore HTML. Now this is it. I will rename it. I will rename the file. Sorry, the folder. Now it has been renamed. So next thing now is to give the env permission 600. So now I'm going to enter into the env, right click on it, change permission, untick this, and make sure it is 600. You're going to leave just this and this. So you click on change permission. Now it's at 600. So the next one is to go to phpMyAdmin and upload SQL database.sql. So I'm going to come here again, and I'm going to open phpMyAdmin. So now phpMyAdmin has opened. I'm going to select on this database. So to get the SQL file, you're going to go to public underscore HTML, come to SQL folder, download this file. Okay, that's the file. Then go back to your phpMyAdmin and click on import. Then you select file. Okay, then click on open. Now, so then you scroll down and click on import here. So now it is importing. You just have to wait. Okay, you see now that it has been imported successfully. It has been. So remember, um to set your cron job, look at it here. Always remember to set your cron job. Always set your cron job. So this is how you're going to set your cron job now. To set your cron job, go to file manager, search for cron. You're going to see cron jobs. Then you copy this command, copy this, scroll here. This first one here, you're going to put it once per 5 minutes, and you come here, you type this command. So instead of site URL, we are going to copy this and paste here. Then you click on add new cron job. So if you want automatic return of investment, I'm going to set this. Okay, so that's it for cron job. I think there's nothing left again, and you say you are done. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to load up our website. We're going to load up our website. So let's see. So you can see now that our website is working. Website is working now. So the next thing is to do our admin setup. So to get the admin details, you're going to look at it here, admin URL, your website URL slash admin slash login. So we're going to do admin slash login. So now it has opened. You can see manager login, your admin at me, then the password is 123456. Then click on sign in. So you can see that now I have logged into the admin. So let's come down to app settings. So come to app settings here. Come to app settings. So you're going to enable investments for crypto swap. If you don't want crypto swap, you can disable it. You can enable crypto swap too. So that's also a feature. You can see success that has been enabled. Okay. So you can come to website information. You change the website name. Website is super web. Okay. Web investment. So I'm going to copy this. So welcome to super web investments. Here you can just put in investments. Put in website name too. So we are welcome to. So yes, cancel be welcome to. So if you have a WhatsApp number or a contact number, you type in it here. So I'll do that later. So time zone, choose your time zone. Okay, now I don't have a logo yet, so let me just save this for now. I don't have a logo yet, so I'll leave this for now. Now I'm going to come to preference. So contact email. I'm going to create an email. So I'm going to create an email now. The email I'm going to create will be support. And I'll click on create. So now this is email. I'll copy it. I'll paste it here. Paste it here. So here's the website currency. So announcements, I will turn off announcements. Then I will turn on withdrawal. I need weekend trade. If turned off, users will not receive ROI on weekend. So the return of investment will not come in on weekends if you turn this off. So I'll turn this off. Recapture transaction is on. Trade mode. If you turn off trade mode, users will not receive automatic return of investment. So we also turn on verification. We also turn on verification, QSC verification on registration. No, it's turned off. So Google login, we turn it off. Email verification, we can turn it on. Return capital. So if you want the capital to be returned on investment, you turn it on too. Plan cancellation. So users have the liberty to cancel their plan. You can turn it on or off. So I will turn it off. So I will then click on save. Click on save. So the next settings is your email settings. So now this is my email settings. I'll use SMTP. So email from is going to be, I'll create another email for my SMTP now. So this time I'm going to create no reply. Create no reply. So I'll click on create. So you can see that now. So I want to come here, input the password, the no reply. I'll copy it. I'll paste it here for email from. I'll paste it here for email SFTP username. For host, it's going to be your domain name for host. Then yeah, it's going to be super. So that's all. Now click on save. So next thing now is to come down to payment settings. So you can see payment settings here. So come to, if you want bank transfer, you turn it on. So for me, I don't need bank transfer, so I'm going to disable it. I'm going to disable it. You can see here, I just disabled it. Now click on back. So if you want to add payment method, you can come here, click on add. So you are going to fill this entire details here. Fill this entire details. If it's currency, you put currency. If it's crypto, put crypto. Put in your wallet address, the network, the status, the type. Is it for withdrawal? Is it for deposit? Or is it for both of them? So that's it. So I'm just going to set for Bitcoin only. I'll come to this. I come to edit. So you can see that now. You can edit the details there. So I'm just going to use this for now. Then save. Don't forget to do your referral settings too. So I'll leave all this. I'll leave all this. Also, don't forget to do your swap settings and other settings too. Okay. So now with this, I think I'm done with the settings except for the logo. So later on, I'm going to design the logo and upload. But to upload the logo, just go to app settings. Go to app settings. Go to website information, upload the logo here, the logo on your file icon here. Okay. So the next thing now is for me to create an account as a user. I'm going to create an account as a user now. So I want to come here now and I'll create an account. So if my account will go like this, my username will be Brett123. Full name is going to be Brett David. Then my email will be this, and then I'll put in a phone number. Then password will be this. So I'll select a country. I'll just select something. So no referral. I'll create an account. So just because you remember we enabled verification, email verification, so that's why we are seeing this. If you disable email verification, you're not going to see this. So then I will come to, so now this is my email, so you can see it now. This is my mail. So the first mail I got was welcome to Super Wet Investments. You can see all this. This is it. Then I also received a verification mail. So you see that now. So I'm just going to copy this verification. I'll paste it here. Now verify email. Now I am being redirected to my dashboard. So you see that now. It's asking me to verify my account. So I'll go ahead to do KYC verification. So you can see it's verify account. So I'll click on verify account now, and I'll come here complete KYC. Put in the full name. I just say in the email, phone number, date of birth. This I'll just put this there. Address line, just put this, just put this. So now for documents, is it international passport? Is it national ID? Is it driver's license? So let me just leave it as international passport. And then I'll scroll here to upload the particular document. So I'll select this and just select a random image. I'll click on, I'll tick this and submit. Okay, I didn't fill this city. I'll submit. Oops, telling me email has been taken. Why? Why is it? Okay, let me just fill it again. Let's fill it again. So you can see now success KYC document has been uploaded. So I'll go back to the admin now. I'll go to the admin. In the admin, I'll come to KYC application. Look at it here, KYC application. Now you see it here. Look at it under review. I'll select view application. So I'm going to come here. You can see it now. These are the documents I submitted. So now you're going to click on action. So you see that now. Verify. So this you can edit this message too. And say accounts verified. Click on confirm. So you can see success. So when I come to my, I think I'm going to receive another email. I should receive another mail. Okay, you can see now account verified email. See that account verified email. And let's come back here. You're going to now see verified here. You can see it now. Verified. See that verified now. So that was this $10 here is my registration bonus. So now I will deposit. So I'll click on this here. I'll select the method, which is this. So this is the only available method now. I will select it so you can see now. Then I'll click on complete deposit. Okay, so now you come here, you are going to see these payment details, which you can copy. You can also select payment proof. So let's select payment proof now. I think I have a receipt image. Then I'll say submit payment. Okay, so you can see now. Now let's come to manage deposit in admin. And manage deposit in admin. So you see the payments. Now I'll click on process. So see now. So we go back to the user side, the dashboard. The amount, you can see that the amount will be added. So you can see that now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to carry out an investment. You're going to go to trading plans. Go to trading plans. So these are the various plans. These plans can be set from the admin from here. Let's go to investment here. You can see investment plans. This is where you set the plan. You can see basic, standard. You can see you can add a new plan here. You fill these entire details to add a new plan, or you can edit the existing plan. Okay, so now I'm going to come here. I will invest on the basic plan. Invest on the basic plan. Okay, so you can see now 1 hour, 1 hour for this plan here. So let's return rates. So how much am I investing on this plan? This plan is the minimum is what? Okay, the minimum is $200 and the maximum is $20,000. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and I will invest 1,000. I invest 1,000. Then I will get a 2.5% ROI. So now I'll click on confirm and invest now. So you can see you have successfully purchased the plan and it's active. So I'll come to my plans. I'll come to my plans. So you can see now. So our investment is currently running and you can see the investment amount was deducted. So now I'm going to test out the withdrawal. Test that withdrawal now. So I'll put my password. So for withdrawal method, I'll select withdrawal method. Now I'll put in an amount to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 2,000. So I will click on confirm, complete withdrawal request. Now it's asking me to set my payment detail. So I'll go to withdrawal settings in the user. I can set in the bank detail. So let's just use this, the dummy, the bank detail. Now for crypto withdrawal, I will set all this and I'll click on save changes. Okay, so now I'll go back to my withdrawal again. I'll click on withdraw. I'll select, put the amount I want to withdraw now. I will click this. So you can see the withdrawal went through. So if you want the user to withdraw with their withdrawal code, so you're going to come to admin, go to users. So you come to that particular user. You can see that now. Click on manage. Then click on action. Click on edit. So you type in a withdrawal code here. So if you don't type in withdrawal code here, they are not going to, users are not going to be able to withdraw with their, be able to use withdrawal code to withdraw. So you're going to type in withdrawal code and click on update. Okay, so now let's go back to withdraw. Now let's tick this. So I'll input an amount and I will select this. So you can see it's asking for withdrawal code now. I'll put in my withdrawal code. I'll click on confirm and submit. So you can see that now. So aside that, you can also be able to send the user a notification in their dashboard. So let's say a notification like check on your investment progress. So now I'll come to dashboard again, I'll reload. You can see I can be able to see that notification what alert here. You can see that now. You can see that check on your what investment progress. So I'll just come and then you see the progress, just click on it. So you can see that now. Check on your investment progress notification alert. So if I want to remove the notification, I just have to come here and then I'll remove it. Click on update. So when I come here now, I won't be able to see the notification anymore. So you can see the notification is not there anymore. So I'll come to users. If you want to credit and debit a user, so you come to these users, come to manage users, click on manage users, then you see the list of user, click on manage button for that particular user that you want to credit. Then come here, you can see, click on actions, you can see this now, credit slash debit. So I'll put in the amount. I'll select where I want to credit. Is it bonus? Is it profit? Is it referral bonus? Is it account balance? Is it deposit? So I'll put it at bonus. Is it debit or is it credit? So I'll put it at credit, and then we click on submit. So now you can see now that you can see profits. You can see that now. Now you can see that. So these were all the email notifications we got. These were all the email notifications we got. So now you can see that my investment has ended. So my investment has ended, and now as a user, I received a mail, investment plan closed. You can see that now. I was notified when the investment was ended, and then you come to profit history. You're going to see the profit history. Okay. So this is actually how you can actually set up this kind of websites with ease without wasting so much time. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my subsequent videos.